Hello everyone, myself Karthik Reddy from first year Computer Science and Engineering Department in SRD College. Now I'm discuss about program on function with arguments and without return type in Introduction to Program. Program on function with arguments and without return type. Now I'm discuss about Introduction to Function basic points. Functions are reusable block of code designed to perform specific tasks. They can accept inputs called arguments to operate on different data. Some functions do not return any value, known as void function. Understanding functions arguments. Arguments are the values that you pass into a function when calling it. They allow function to operate on different data without modifying the function structure. Arguments can be various types including integers, strings, and custom objects. Characteristics of non-returning function. Non-returning function performs action but do not send any value back to the caller. These functions are often used to tasks like printing output or modifying data. They are defined with a return type of void in languages like C, C++, and Java. Syntax of a function with arguments. A typically function declaration includes the return type, name, and parameters. The parameter list specifies the type and names of the arguments the function will accept. The function body contains the code that executes when the function is called. Examples of a simple function. Consider a function that prints a greeting message based on the user's name. The function takes a single argument, which is name of the user. When incompleted, it performs the action of printing the greeting without returning a value. It depends on user. Now source code. In, Ash include iostream using namespace std semicolon function with arguments but without a return type. Void greet. A prototype of greet user is a function name. It does not returns any return value. It takes two parameters: string name, integer, int age, quote greater than hello in strings, greater than name, greater than end, count greater than you are in strings, greater than age, greater than with within years old within string, greater than end. None clause open brace, string name, string username, semicolon, int usage, taking inputs from the user, count greater than with enter your name within strings, semicolon. Kin is a scanf function. It takes username. Count is I'm taking count as a function to print enter your age. I want to storing kin as a user age, semicolon. Calling this function with arguments greet user name usage return 0, close the angular brace. Sample output enter your name John, for example John, enter your age 25. Okay, hello John, you are 25 years old. This is a simple output. Code implementation. The function can be defined as follows in C++: void greet user string name. Inside the function, the code may looks like quote greater than hello within string, greater than name, greater than hyphen, greater than ends. This implementation clearly demonstrates passing an argument and performing an action. Advantages of using functions. Functions helps in organization code into manageable sections, improving readability. They promote code reusability and rehaming the same code to be used multiple times. Using the functions can also reduce the change errors, as each functions can be tested independently. Now come to conclusion. Functions with three arguments and no return type are fundamentally in programming. They help streamlines process and improves code organizations. Understanding how to define and utilize these functions is essential for effective software developments. Feel free to adjust the content or format as needed. Now, source code. Hash include stdio.h, void add, void add as a function, int main, open curly I'm taking a as a variable, integer, add, I want to call the function add, semicolon return 0, okay, close the bracket, void add, I'm calling the function, int m x y has a variables, I'm taking integer variables, printf strings, enter two numbers for addition, scanf I want to storing the enter two numbers from %d, comma, ampersand x, ampersand y. Now I'm assigning the values m equals to x plus y. Printf addition is %d, comma m. Okay. Thank, thank you. Presentation by Karthik from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Thank you for listening. I hope to understand to all.